Today we're going to be doing a phone mount install on this 2014 Jetta Sport Wagon. We've already assembled the magnet and ball socket to our vehicle specific bracket. This is a pretty simple installation. It should only take a couple minutes, and we only need two tools for the job. We have our T20 Torx, and we have our number 5 pry tool from our Schwaben pry tool set. So first step, we're just going to stick this pry tool right in the edge of the trim here. You can tell this car has an aftermarket head unit, but the insulation is going to be exactly the same for the factory setup. So we simply pop that off, and then we're going to be going for these two screws here. That's where our mount installs. So we'll remove those two screws. Put the phone mount in place. A little tight in there. Just get them started. Now we're going to press this right against the side of the console there. Snug them up. So we'll just push the trim piece back in all the way around, make sure it's snug. And then throw your mount on there, adjust accordingly.